Malik. 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 I saw you something, Malik.
Nope, I thought he was with you.
No, I figured to take this chicken out the freezer. You gonna eat some?
Yeah, you gonna fry it or bake it?
I'm gonna fry it because it's too hot to turn that oven on.
Okay.
All right. Malik! I know this boy took his butt out this house. Take this meat out this freezer. Malik!
Huh?
The fuck is you doing in my deep freezer?
Mom, it's hot.
Get the fuck out of my deep freezer right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Why would you get your ass in my deep freezer?
It's hot, Mom.
Where the fuck is my meat at?
Mom.
You took all my fucking meat out of my freezer, Malik.
It was hot.
Put my shit back in my freezer right now.
Yes.
Put it back. Now.
But Mom, you told me I could turn on the AC.
I don't give a fuck. That don't mean get in my deep freezer, Malik.
But Mom.
Malik, put my shit back
Yes,
now.
ma'am. Yes.
Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And the video that you just saw is hilarious, okay? It's funny to me. I want to put something light-hearted on my channel because my topics have been very, let's say, strong and heavy. Okay, so I wanted to put something light and airy here on my channel. And this video stuck out to me because I have a son now, and I could see my son actually doing something crazy like that in the future. So this mom actually told her son not to go outside, and they cannot turn on her AC in her house. And as you guys know, it's dead summer, it's hot as hell, okay? People are sweating bullets and sweating buckets of water out here. That's how hot it is. People have been using fan to air out them pum pum and them things there because it's so hot. Even them underneath hot. So you know it's real out here. And this little boy determined to cool down. He went and took out his mother's meat out her mother meat fridge, her deep freezer. And I know a lot of family normally have deep freezers where they keep excess grocery products and excess meat and stuff like that, because that's how it was in my household growing up. So I can so relate. He took out all the meat out the deep freezer and he went and sat in the deep freezer. Okay, it's hot out here, and quite honestly, I don't fault him one bit. How can you tell a child not to turn on the AC in the house and it's so hot? They're going to try to come up with means and ways to cool down. So, what do you think about the mom saying, don't turn my AC on? Do you think she's trying to conserve energy? She's trying to save a few bucks on her light bill? Or do you think that she was just punishing them for something that they did previously? What do you think about the boy actually taking out the meat out the fridge, and how we don't know how long he has been sitting in that fridge? The meat probably defrosting and stuff, and probably gonna go bad, and his mom is probably gonna whoop his butt. But that's neither here nor there. Comment what you think about that. Comment what you would do to your son or your child if your child actually did something like that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.